Changing personal information. Along the top menu under My Account is My Account Settings. Click on that. The first tab will give you your current information, who you are, what your current rank is, and your enroller's information along with either your personal EIN or Social Security number that is masked. The second tab is where you change your shipping address and or billing address. So for example, I have one address in here for shipping and a second address in here for billing. Also note in blue along the top here that doesn't change your current auto ship template address. So there is a link here to take you to your auto ship to change that address. So I'm going to change my shipping address and I'm going to make it a different street name. And then I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom and click Save. And you'll see at the top your changes have been saved in green. That means it's been saved and you're good to go. Other things that you can change within this tab are email address, home phone number, cell phone number, work phone number, and a fax number if you need to. But always remember to click Save once you're done. The next tab over is your username. It will provide to you what your current username is, and then you will need to enter your new username one time and then a second time to confirm it. You can also change your password, so you would enter in your current password, enter in your new password, and then confirm your new password. The other thing that you can do on this page is select your security question. Out of the 5 that is there populated, you may change it, and then you can go ahead and change your answer. You do not have to change all 3 at the same time. You can change one, save, and then go back and change a different one. The next tab over is your Preferences tab. First, you'll need to set your leg preference. This is for binaries, your left leg, your right leg, or your lesser leg. If you are unilevel, that won't be there. You can select your language preference, so you can choose a specific language that is available for you within the team office. So I can view everything in French if I wanted to, and click that and then save down at the bottom. Another way to change your language preferences is this little box in the corner. You can select it and use that drop-down box as well. You can select your email preferences. You can check or opt out of receiving company emails or upline emails. You can also choose to opt out of the different types of emails that go within the system. Yourself, your first level, your personally enrolled, binary, upline, and all enrollment uplines, and then the different subjects that go along with it. You can also set your privacy preferences. If you do not choose to set this or change this, it'll just use the name that's on your account. But if you choose to use an alternative name, you can go ahead and click this radio button and fill in your alternative name, and then click Save. And again, when you scroll to the top, it'll show you that your changes have been saved. And then the last tab is your Payment Method tab. This is where you manage all of your credit cards that are on file. As you can see, I have one credit card on file. If I needed to edit that, I would click the pencil over here in the far right to click Edit. I would then choose whether the address that matches that card is my shipping, my billing, or another. I would make sure that all of the fields are filled in. I would re-enter the card number with the expiration date and year. I would name this card, and then I would save. If I wanted to add a new payment, so rather than having just one credit card on file, I could add another one by clicking the Add button, selecting that I'm adding a credit card, and following the same steps. Once I have a credit card saved on file, I will then need to go in and set up my preferences. So first I can use the checkbox here to set it so my bonus bin funds are used towards every order first. And then I can choose my test Visa account to be my first primary card. And by doing that, you click on the little pencil, you select the card that you want it to be in the drop down, and then you click Save. And you will do that for your auto ship, for your ordering, or any promotional items that your company uses. Not all companies use the promotional boxes, so if it's not there for you, then don't worry about it. And that is how you change your personal information.